Imagine hitting the road, miles from anywhere, and still having perfectly chilled drinks and even frozen ice cream. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this AAOBOSI 12-volt car refrigerator promises to make that dream a reality, and honestly, it delivers some truly impressive features. This isn't just another cooler. It's a full-fledged portable fridge and freezer, boasting a generous 42-liter capacity. What really sets the AAOBOSI apart is its dual-zone, dual-control technology. You can independently set temperatures for 2 separate compartments, ranging from a frosty -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to a cool 68 degrees. This means you can keep your sodas icy cold in one section, while simultaneously freezing meat or storing delicate skincare products at a different temperature in the other. That kind of versatility is a game changer for long trips, camping, or even just a day at the beach. Performance-wise, this unit is seriously fast. Using its compressor refrigeration, it can drop to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes when empty. If you need to reach its lowest temperature of -4 degrees, it takes about an hour. That's incredibly efficient, and you can switch between max mode for rapid cooling or eco mode to save energy, which is a thoughtful touch. For anyone worried about draining their car battery, AAOBOSI has you covered. It features a 3-level voltage protection system: low, medium, and high. If your car battery gets too low, the fridge automatically shuts down, preventing any damage. That's a huge peace of mind when you're out in the wilderness. Durability and convenience are also clearly top of mind in its design. The anti-shaking feature means it can handle bumpy roads and even operate stably at a 30-degree incline, which is fantastic for off-roading or steep climbs. Plus, it runs with low noise, so you won't be kept awake if you're sleeping in your vehicle. The black and white color scheme looks sleek and is stain-resistant, and the frosted, bumpy exterior helps reduce scratches and improve stability. And let's not forget the practical additions: high-quality wheels, a retractable trolley bar, and even an extra chopping board. These details really show that AAOBOSI thought about the user experience. Overall, the AAOBOSI 12-volt car refrigerator is a remarkably capable and well-designed portable cooling solution. It brings genuine refrigeration and freezing power to your adventures, making it an excellent companion for anyone who loves to explore without compromising on fresh food and cold drinks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.